So this one is simple to show you how to just do the color grading and stuff. So there's one level theme, I don't play with it, called camera raw filter. Okay, so we're gonna use that one to just complete this image to show you how to finish, beginning to the end. So first we need to just move to the contrast and move the contrast to the side. Okay, so make sure you make the contrast be around, let's say 30 plus 38, and then we'll move to this one. Okay, highlight to be plus 15 or 16 is not bad. Then the shadow needs to be around negative 30, and the whites, okay, need to be around this side, okay, plus 14, and the black, okay, let the black be negative 19. And then when you're done with it, I'm showing you the easy way to just work on this whole. Always make sure you will just mark on this numbers so that you can, like, you just follow the steps and do the same thing and see how it's gonna work for you. Then you move to color mixer. So color mixer, I'm going to start from red and increase the saturation to, let's say, around 60 or 61. It's not bad. Then let's move to the orange. So this is the one we're going to bring everything out. The skin tone is going to pop everything out, so we can just make it cool like this, but I just want to maintain it to be around, like, let's say plus 3, not too much. Then let's just increase this one. Then when done with it, make sure you're going to turn the luminance a little bit high like this, or you can make it like this, but I just need this right now before. Then move to this yellow and let's increase it. So check that around here, see it just affect that side, or you can turn it to where it just like it. So I just want to make it to look like an Africa. Let's say, the ladies we just making the shoe and stuff, so I just want to make it look more cinematic, and it's going to be around hue negative 73. Then let's move to the green. So green, let's increase the green, and then make sure you would just turn this to see where it's just good for you. So I think let's make it around negative 64. Then turn it to this one and increase it, and let's see. So I think I prefer the original green, so let's it to be around here. Okay, so the blue, okay, cool, I love it on this. So let's maintain into this negative 44. Yeah, so, and let's check the before and after, then let's increase this one a little bit and turn the luminance to be around plus 15, and just be careful with this, you need to work on it well. So let's make it plus 38 and move to the next one and see how it's going to work. Okay, so that is it, before and after. So I'm gonna show you this and how it just works. Just let's move to optics and turn this one down like this, and make the main points to be around this side. Let's show it before and after. Great. So when you're done with it, make sure you come to vibrance and turn the variance to around let's say around 30. Okay, let's see, before and after. So I just want to get a natural color, and so that's how I used to make it. So when I'm done with all this, just increase the texture, the sharpness to a little bit, so pop the face to make it look more classic and beautiful. So I think that's it. I just love this. It's great. So when you're done with it, you can just push the saturation a little bit, not much, like that. And let's check it before and after. Before and after. That's good. Just save it, and boom, that's it. Okay. So I'm gonna do a little retouch on the eye, and to get it cool. So when you get this, just turn this one to white, and move to color replacements. Just be careful, okay? Choose color replacements and make the color white. Make sure you just leave the color on this eye. So that's the focus, so don't play with it much. And then you choose the Dodge 2, and make sure the Dodge 2 is exposure going to be 100%, and reduce the size and step on it. Okay, easy way. Okay, and let's hit this side and this side. Okay, and the mouth and the shoulder. It's great. So when you're done with it, I think there's something messing up. So you're gonna choose this color and reduce it a little bit, and choose color replacement 2 and step on it. So here it's getting too much, so we're going to reduce it. Okay. Okay, so when you're done with it, just use this one to highlight, and just move to you can use the tilt or this one. So let's use this one. So I just want to blend the top and it down to make it look portraits form, and I just want the focus to be around top there. Okay, so let's just cover it like this, and just increase this one. So when done with it, just hit OK. And that's it. You can see here is blend, and here too it's the same. So guys, that's it. You can do it and follow the steps well, and make sure you will do the same as I just told you to do. So guys, subscribe, like, and give comments. If anything, just let me know, so that I will just show you, I mean my new tutorials, I will just show you everything, and just make sure I will let you understand the process well. So see you for the next video. Bye.